Dear learners, through this video, we will discuss a new topic, that is future continuous tense. Let us now see the definition of the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is often used to talk about something happening at a given point in the future, which means that the actions will be going on in the future. Remember one thing, that whenever we say continuous, whether present continuous, past continuous, or future continuous, we have to add ing to the main verb. Future continuous tense is also known as future progressive tense. For example, they will be studying at school tomorrow. Sally will be watching a TV show later. Moving on to the formation of the future continuous tense. First comes the subject plus will be or shall be plus verb plus ing plus the object. One thing we have to keep in mind, that whether we use shall or will, it depends on the subject of the sentence. We always use ing with the present form of verb. For example, my brother will be going to Delhi tomorrow. I shall be doing my work. We use the future continuous tense to describe an action that will be in progress at a particular time in the future. That means we use future continuous tense to talk about the activities which are going to take place in the future. For example, at 4 p.m. tomorrow, I will be watching television. For information questions, if you want to get an information about someone or something, you always have to ask WH questions. WH questions are when, why, how, what, who, and where. For example, what will you be doing? Learners, there are certain rules which you need to remember when you form sentences with future continuous tense. For declarative or positive sentences, subject comes first, then comes will be or shall be, which is followed by the verb plus ing in its first form. For example, I will be coming. For negative sentences, subject comes first, then comes will not or won't, which is followed by the verb plus ing in its first form. For example, I will not be coming or I won't be coming. For interrogative sentences, will comes first, then the subject, and then comes the verb in its first form plus ing, and the whole sentences ends with a question mark. For example, will you be coming?